We think of our planet as solid ground, but it's in constant flux. This change is the engine of evolution. When the environment shifts, the rules of the game change. A trait that ensured survival for 1,000,000 years can become a death sentence overnight. Adapt or die, that's the brutal law of nature. Sometimes the change is too fast for anyone to adapt. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer wide asteroid struck the Earth. It plunged the world into darkness for years. Plants died, then the herbivores, then the carnivores. The dinosaurs, rulers of the planet, were wiped out. But who survived? Not the strongest, but the lucky and adaptable. Small, burrowing mammals who could eat insects and hide from the cold. The extinction of the dinosaurs was the opportunity they needed to inherit the Earth. Today, there's a new force of nature, one changing the planet faster than any asteroid: us. We are living in the Anthropocene, the age of humans, and scientists say we are causing the 6th mass extinction. The #1 cause? Habitat loss. When we cut down a forest, we don't just kill the trees, we evict every creature that calls it home. We choke the oceans with plastic that turtles mistake for food and warm the planet, melting the ice from under the polar bear's paws. But this story isn't over. The same ingenuity that gives us the power to destroy also gives us the power to save. We create protected national parks and vast marine reserves where life can recover. We build wildlife corridors for animals to cross our highways safely. We even have frozen seed banks in places like Svalbard, an ark for all plant life. The resilience of life is incredible. It has survived meteor strikes. But individual species are fragile, and their future now rests in our hands.